just dropped a new blog post, Contractor Marketing in Ontario, and it's basically 7 keys or 7 proven ways to win in 2025. And typically, these are things that I would talk to any contractor about to make sure that we could kind of do very well in the market that they're currently in. And this goes to be in any market, doesn't matter where. So the first thing is to nail search intent and own your own local SEO. That means your website's got to be dialed in, and we can help with that. If you're serious about growth, then these are some steps I'd love you to use. Number 2, optimize website for local leads. Make sure your call to actions on your website are dialed in. Call for a free estimate, download our free guide, call today, schedule an appointment, hop on a Zoom call. Any of those things work very well. Use video to build trust. Much like what I'm doing right here, right now, use video to build that trust. Next thing, automate your follow-ups with a CRM. So this is vital. We all should be doing this now with AI and CRMs. You can easily sequence out an email and SMS sequence upon someone submitting a form or someone using a chat widget on your website. And you can automate that to keep it top of mind and very personal. Number 5, dominate social media without wasting your time. So pick the platform where you believe your customers are, and that's the platform where you want to deliver high quality content. Make sure that you're always giving, and showing. People love to see what you're doing behind the scenes. Own the Google business profile. That is huge. If you know anything about Google, Google can drive you a tremendous amount of lead flow. And what that means is your Google business profile, if you optimize it, if you share it and give it some love, like getting reviews and adding some posts and adding some categories and adding some frequently asked questions and doing those things, you will really gain a lot of traction from that. And number 7, hey, look, download our free marketing guide specifically for contractors. Click here, then click right here, and that's the guide. It's 50 pages long. It covers everything. And if you're not using voice AI right now, you really want to be. It's a game changer. Okay, I hope this helps, and enjoy the blog. Thank you.